In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take business card print from Canva. We'll walk through getting your business card design out of Canva and onto paper with clean, professional results. Start by opening your web browser and heading to canva.com. Before you do anything else, make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to your designs and any saved templates. If you're using a shared or public computer, it's a good idea to confirm you're in the right account to avoid downloading the wrong file. Next, pick the business card template you want to print. Open the design so you're looking at the canvas. Take a moment to review your content, check spelling, and confirm your colors and logos look the way you want. When you're happy, move to the top right corner of the Canva editor and click the Share button. This reveals several ways to export your design. From here, choose Download. In the Download options, set the file type to PDF Standard. This format is ideal for everyday printing on a home or office printer and keeps file sizes manageable while preserving layout and text clarity. It's the setting we want for a straightforward business card print from your own printer. Leave other options at their defaults unless you know you need something specific. Go ahead and click Download. Canva will prepare the file and save it to your computer. Wait for the download to finish, then open the PDF from your browser's downloads list or your downloads folder. Opening the file first helps you preview the final layout exactly as it will be printed. With the PDF open, click the print icon in your PDF viewer to bring up your printer dialog. Select your printer, then check a few key settings. Make sure the scale is set to 100% or actual size so your cards print at true dimensions. Choose the correct paper size for the paper you're using and set orientation to match your design. If you created front and back designs on separate pages, enable two-sided printing if your printer supports it. For the sharpest text and logos, choose a higher print quality setting if available. If your printer has a borderless option and you need edge-to-edge color, turning that on can help prevent white borders. When everything looks good in the preview, click Print. Your business cards will start printing using the exact layout you exported from Canva. Let the ink dry fully before cutting or stacking to avoid smudges. And that's it! Your business card is ready to go from Canva to your hands with just a few clicks.